hundreds of readings, started elevating my practice until I got the mastery, the last level of the Akashic Records, and I could start facilitating Akashic Records initiations. And today I'm so proud of all the persons that got initiated, that are proactively working and sustaining themselves through this practice. They share proactively in the lineage their experiences, and we all learn so much. We get so much confirmation. This divine guidance that now we know what is leading the way all the time and making our lives better and dissolving the drama that is unnecessary, because we understand there's always a solution, there's always a better, a higher way. And we now can honor our gifts and feel the impact on the life and the health in all areas of people's life. And that's why I'm so proud and committed to this practice and following this guidance and helping others to be amplified, to be cleared from the noise of the other voice that isn't there, but we can discern, and through this discernment and commitment, we get it louder. We come to this health and the best mental and personal power. So I wanted to invite you to this higher way of being, to honoring your gifts, to honoring life to its fullest.